Hi, what's up, AMP coin holder? What's going on, my friend? AMP will get a 3.97% profit. It's mean to 4% they will get a profit. The price will increase, and absolutely even a volume is increasing, so the price is also increasing. So therefore, I will recommend you to, if you want, my friends, to get a profit from AMP. So now this is very easy process. Now, my friend, just only you will need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. I will update you, I will guide you everything, my friend. I will give you, and absolutely you just need, my friends, to click the decision, and please research personally before you take any decision, my friend. Especially in those days, 0.04 USD dollar, this is the highest price, my friend. And you can see here this time the current price is absolutely possible, but if they want, so kindly hold, if you want, my friends, to get a profit in very short time, now just do this what I told you. I hope, my friend, you will earn a lot of money from this now. So thanks for watching, my all viewers, my subscriber. Please don't take any bad decision. I hope when price will pump up, so then I will just only my friend recommend you to please do this now. Thanks for watching, my AMP coin holder. Please like video and also subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care.